Amazing facts about celery. What is celery? A member of the parsley family, alongside carrots, fennel, and, parsley, celery is a cool weather vegetable that's native to the Mediterranean. Although its leaves are edible, it's mostly grown and eaten for its crunchy, ribbed stalks. Some varieties are cultivated for their globe-shaped root, aka celeriac, celery root, or knob celery, and eaten as a root vegetable, such as potatoes and turnips. Celery mainly consists of water, meaning it's not exactly teeming with vitamins and minerals. The stalks and leaves both offer some nutrients such as vitamin C and magnesium in small amounts. Celery also contains gut-friendly fiber, both insoluble and soluble, which are vital for healthy digestion. Health benefits of celery. Offers some disease-fighting antioxidants. Celery has modest amounts of antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, and flavonoids. The veggie also contains caffeic acid, an antioxidant found in coffee, tea, and wine. Promotes digestive health. Celery contains both soluble and insoluble. Both types of fiber can pave the way for healthy digestion, but they work in different ways. Soluble fiber, which attracts water, turns into a gel-like substance in your gastrointestinal tract. Soluble fiber is also a prebiotic, which means it acts as a food for beneficial gut bacteria. These good bacteria are in charge of myriad digestive functions, such as breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and controlling gut inflammation, just to name a few. Thus, getting your fill of soluble fiber, via foods such as celery, can help ensure your good gut buggers have enough food to thrive and keep your tum healthy. On the flip side, insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve in water, so it stays intact in your gut. This adds bulk to stool, which can help ease constipation and promote regularity. Supports heart health. Celery contains a compound called phthalate, which has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood pressure. Specifically, phthalates relax blood vessels, thus improving blood flow to your heart and other vital organs. This may help reduce high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor of heart disease. Oh, and here's a fun fact, phthalate is responsible for the flavor and smell of celery. Manages blood sugar. If you're on a mission to control your blood sugar, celery is an excellent choice. Not only is it naturally low in sugar, but it also contains soluble fiber. As mentioned earlier, this type of fiber turns into a gel in the gut. This gel-like material can help slow down the digestion of sugar, which may help prevent blood sugar spikes and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Maintains healthy bones. Celery contains a notable amount of vitamin K. In fact, 1 cup of chopped celery holds 29.6 micrograms of the nutrient, which is about 1/3 of the recommended daily amount for women, 90 micrograms, and 1/4 for men, 120 micrograms. This is great news for your bones, as the vitamin is required to make osteocalcin, a protein involved in bone strength. Osteocalcin is in charge of depositing calcium into your bone, a key step in bone development. Celery's impressive amount of vitamin K can help support this process, as osteocalcin production depends on the nutrient. Supports hydration. Drinking water isn't the only way to stay hydrated. Some foods, such as watermelon and cucumbers, are so high in H2O that they can help contribute to your overall hydration needs. The same can be said for celery, which is made of 95%. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, as water regulates your body temp, lubricates your joints, and helps remove wastes from the body, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It also contains potassium and sodium, 2 important electrolytes that can help maintain normal fluid balance in your cells, ensuring your body gets the fluid it needs. Potential risks of celery. As mentioned above, celery is high in fiber. Thus, if you have a sensitive GI tract, eating too much of the veggie too fast might cause digestive issues like gas, bloating, constipation. In this case, you'll want to start with a small amount, then slowly increase your intake of celery. Also, it's possible to be allergic to celery. Common symptoms of a food allergy include vomiting, stomach cramps, wheezing, hives, and oral swelling. You're more likely to have a celery allergy if you're also allergic to birch pollen. How to buy and eat celery. In the supermarket, celery is most commonly sold raw in the produce section. You can buy it as whole heads, stalks with the leaves and bottom, or as celery hearts, which are the tender inner stalks of the plant. The outer stalks tend to be tough and fibrous, so keep that in mind if you decide to buy a whole head. The veggie is also available in dried state. That said, if you want to get the most out of your celery, I would recommend blending it in a smoothie so you can enjoy its fiber content. In terms of nutritional content, boiling may be the least ideal, as the method often causes water-soluble nutrients. Celery recipe ideas. The flavor of celery is fresh and mild, meaning it can work well in a variety of dishes without overpowering other ingredients. So, what is celery good for, exactly? Here are some tasty ways to eat the veggie at home. In salads. Add a satisfying crunch to your next salad by including some fresh celery, such as in these protein-packed bean salad recipes. Raw celery stalks make for a delightfully crispy snack. Fill each piece of celery with a tasty dip. In smoothies. Stay hydrated with a refreshing celery smoothie. In this form, the veggie's fiber will remain intact, which will be a real treat for your gut. Try this celery smoothie, I believe you would love it. Apple, ginger, and lemon juice will complement the celery beautifully. In soup. When making a homemade soup, sauté sliced celery along with the onions. Craving something creamy? Sauté the celery with the other ingredients as usual, then blend it up. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more.